SkyTow Rapid Ascent. Ascent efficiency comprehensively ahead. Consistent, strong power output, stable, controllable climb rate. Traditional winch climbing comes with vibration and speed fluctuations. SkyTow climbs smooth and fast, no vibration, no compromise between speed and comfort. 4 minutes to 1,000 meters. Verified. Reach 1,000 meters safe altitude in just 4 minutes. 1,000 meters is the golden altitude for thermal flying. Arrive and immediately catch thermals. Reaching the same altitude takes longer with traditional towing. SkyTow's ascent efficiency is significantly ahead. More flights, same hours. Higher launch density per hour, operational efficiency multiply. Same day, more flights, greater returns.